Hello everyone, so today we are going to make a Little Debbie Christmas tree cheesecake. Enjoy the show. First you'll need to do is crush some Oreos into small bits.
Who's your helper?
This is Nova right here.
Hi, Nova.
Say hi to the viewers. What do you want to say to the viewers, Nova? Say something to the viewers. Now you mix the Oreos. Now I'm going to get ready. Now you're going to get ready to put it in the pan.
What are you doing?
I'm now mixing whipping that hot cream cheese vigorously. Now you're going to put it in the oven for an hour and let it bake. Okay?
At 300 degrees.
At 300 degrees.